All right, I'm just correcting a couple of things that were standing out on his hand to my eye last night when I got to this point where I put the hands on and painted them. The obviously large knuckles on this guy's hand. So I'm going to continue working on his upper body now. But after I get this done here. All right, be right back. All I'm doing right now is building up the form under the clothing, and then I'll put the clothing on. I put the hat back on. I just double checked to make sure the head would fit inside the crown of the hat, and it will. So it's the right size. I did keep the hat from the last one, so anyway, I'm going to still stick with the major design that I had last time on this one. It's a good design, and so I'm going to start figuring out the clothing here. All right, I've added a belt to his clothing. I'm just adding some wrinkles in the, or folds or detail, let's say, in the front of his coat that he's got on. Now this is going to be only seen a little bit underneath the horse, but I still want it on there. All right, I'm doing the creating the wrinkles in his jacket. I've got to do the seam for the sleeve. There we go. Do the same thing on this side here. Okay, I'm just about done with this sleeve. I'll have to get the underside of the shirt when I see how much of it is going to be showing anyway. Because he's going to be up against a horse, not a lot of it's going to show up. I think I like that. All right, there's more of the sleeve that's going to show, so I'm going to have to work underneath the sleeve, and I'll do that by laying it down on a foam so I can work on the underside. And I'll do that to the other sleeve when I get to that point. I'm just not going to do it right now. What I'll do on Monday, I won't be here tomorrow. I have a doctor's appointment in Bozeman, so I will have to go to that. But I'll see you guys on Monday, and that's when I'll get to work on that other sleeve and finish the upper part of the coat and maybe start finishing him up. I'm liking the way it's coming out. Everything lines up nicely. Yeah. I started the wrinkles in the stress wrinkles in the shirt itself. And I'll continue doing that next week. All right, everybody, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week. Good night, everybody. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.